Most people don't realize that as you shift your attitude, the energy surrounding you shifts, which is very remarkable. By altering your attitudes, you may genuinely change reality. This is because altering your attitude alters your feelings, and altering your feelings alters what you continue to attract. It's important to keep in mind that, like energy, attracts similar energy. In order to have a nice day, you must first feel good about yourself. You must now draw energy that is similar to what you have modified in the energy environment surrounding you. Because it is both so straightforward and so accurate, you just know that putting it into practice will completely transform your life.